Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make kombu broth. First, choose a good quality piece of kombu, roughly 4 to 6 inches in length. Gently wipe it with a damp cloth, being careful not to remove the natural white powder, which is full of umami. Then, place the kombu into 4 cups of cold water. Let it soak for at least 30 minutes or even longer for a richer flavor. This initial step is crucial for extracting the best taste. Now, place your pot with the kombu and water over medium-low heat. The key here is to heat it very slowly and gently. Watch the pot carefully, as you want to bring the water to a gentle simmer, but not a rolling boil. Just as small bubbles begin to form around the edges, remove the kombu from the pot. Overboiling the kombu can make the broth bitter, so timing is important. If you're making a vegetarian kombu broth, it's essentially ready to use at this point. However, to create a traditional dashi, you'll now add a handful of katsuobushi, or dried bonito flakes, to the simmering liquid. Let the katsuobushi steep for about 30 seconds. Then, turn off the heat completely. This brief steeping time allows the delicate flavors to infuse without becoming overpowering. Finally, carefully strain your freshly made broth through a fine mesh sieve, ideally lined with a piece of cheesecloth for extra clarity. Discard the used kombu and katsuobushi, or consider repurposing them in other dishes. Your delicious kombu broth is now ready to be enjoyed. You can use it immediately in soups or sauces, or store it in an airtight container in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.